Great Saturday, guys. I hope you're having a great time. This is Miss JD once again for our regular routine, which is to analyze the stock market, especially dito sa Philippines. And thank you to those people who, dropped the comments sa last video natin. We can take the time to read for a little while, but for those people who'd like to go and listen to the stocks, say forward nyo na lang. I'll put the timestamp anyway. Pero first of all, thank you, Raymond. Uh, he said JD had one video this week, and that was the only day the market was green. Coincidence to think it's switchcraft. Um, hello Miss JD, thanks for the insight. Delighted you're back. Thank you for your insight about Security Bank. Okay, sama natin si Security Bank. Miss JD, balak ko mag-entry sa MAXS. Ayan, silipin din natin yan. Ito, AC, RLC, and NIKL by a Mercy. You're back, Miss JD. Hindi ko talaga ma-figure out bakit pag pinapakinggan ko yung audio ng video ko, parang okay naman. Pero I don't know, maybe I need to still figure it out further kasi hindi naman ako masyado techie. Glad you're back. The stocks will rise definitely. Yeah. Patapos ng August, so sana ang ghost month umalis na. Pero I know it's really temporary. Alam nyo, ang stock market, guys, up and down lang yan. Dito talaga na measure yung patience nyo kung hanggang saan. So, you need to have a gameplay. I'm not saying whatever I recommend here, hindi ibig sabihin yun lang ang gagana. You have your own objectives while you're in the market. May iba gusto ng mabilisan, then you have a different gameplay. Like sa amin, ako, particularly, I am mid to long term investor. There are weeks even, sometimes months na wala akong activity. Um, Pero definitely, uh, kailangan natin mag-aral. That's the common denominator. We have to continue to upskill ourselves para at least maging handa tayo. So, kahit bumaba siya ng malalim na malalim, alam mo how to react to the situation. So, yan ang ating ginagawa. Kaya until now, guys, I do this thing. I review, I journal my thoughts through the videos I make. So, yun siya. Ayan. So, tackle natin ang inyong mga requests, guys, ha? So, unahin natin yung, of course, the index. Index, so in my last review, I'm a bit on the conservative side. I'm not expecting for the stock to bounce right away because I don't see any hint at the moment. Nag-green man siya siguro because it's a temporary lang yan. Hindi siya na-sustain because wala ka volume, oh. So, normally, pag nag-bounce at hindi supported by volume, hindi pa yan uh, hindi pa yan kaya to continue to move up. At the same time, kung titingin ako sa RSI, bababa pa rin naman siya. Yan, no, 'di ba? Down, 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 down. So wala pa. Wala pa yung tinatawag na natin na bullish divergence. So, yan ang kailangan natin i-bantayan. Volume, RSI, and all the other indicators that I have here. So, steady lang muna, hindi pa to handa, most likely. Okay? Um, may mga areas na pwede i-monitor, pero hindi guarantee na yan na yan. Okay? So, may nakikita ako sa 6,047 kasi dito may support dyan. Dating resistance dito. So, yung mga ganyan. So, let's also take a look at the, ano nga ba yung security bank? Ayan, SECB. Ayan. SECB, aha, may support sa area na kung saan tayo ngayon, no? If you are to look at it on a weekly chart, kita mo, mas cleaner yung view and we are at the area na potentially magiging support or is a support. So dito sa area na to, you had several weeks, almost a month there na each time the price hits that level, there's a some form of bounce na nangyayari. So ito siya ngayon, this is already the second week na dito pa rin tayo nahinto. Okay, so yan ang inyong babantayan, but kailangan nga natin, di ba? Kailangan natin, kapag nag-green siya, kailangan supported by volume. Ito nag-green siya, pero wala volume eh. Kaya andyan pa rin siya na nagalaw. So, posible mag-sideways muna siya until such time alam mo yun, this is actually the time ng mga long-term investors and big players. Dito sila nag-accumulate. Yung tipong hindi halata. Kasi pag bibiglain nilang lagay ng big amount, mag-shoot up yan. So, gusto nila ng very, very subtle. Kasi pag hindi pa sila tapos sa kanilang pag-add ng position at binigla nila, di mataas na. Right? So, therefore, they will be forced to buy at a higher level. So, ang gagawin nila, very subtle, para ka lang nagko-crawl na very subtle lalagyan ko para at least they're still in the same level sa presyo pa na gusto nila. Okay? So, that is in a nutshell yung ginagawa ng mga whales, ng mga big players. So, at the moment, maybe you can put this in your watch list. Potentially, this is already a support. Bantayan lang natin. Green engulfing. Pwede na, actually, yung candlestick nito, parang medyo promising, pero wala lang siyang volume. Ang gusto natin, green engulfing candlestick na may good volume. So, just hang in there. Kung nasa position ka na or about to enter, maybe you can give it a try. Test buy kasi area na to. Pero if you're down, isipin mo na lang, if you're down right here, at let's say, medyo malaki yung bagsak mo, you have to evaluate once again, bakit ka pumasok, right? Let's say dito ka nakapasok at sobrang laki ng bagsak. Why did you enter? If you're looking into holding this position for the long haul, you have your dividend. You know, may dividend siya. So at least kahit paano, kahit na bagsak siya, you're being compensated at the same time because maganda, let's say maganda ang company, medyo hindi lang kagandahan yung Q2 nila. Okay. 2022 medyo okay sila. So if this is a company you wanna really hold on to, the more na bumagsak siya, that's the time you have to also consider na ito actually ang bagay na dagdag ako para mapa-lower ko yung cost average ko. And yeah, mas when it bounces, mas malaki yung potential na return ko. So that's my 2 cents kay SECB. Max, okay. Si Max naman, ay, maganda ang kanyang candlestick today. Yesterday pala. Right? Dito siya, I am, I see a nice possible bounce na pwedeng mangyari na for this. Kaso lang, 10 trades eh. Alam mo yun, konti na trade. Even if ready ka na, even if medyo bullish na siya, kaso ang konti. Sometimes when you place the order, walang nagpa-participate, it might take a while. So you have to also prepare for that. Na hindi pa siya attractive. But then again, pag nag-start na mag-build up, ang tao naman papasok yan eh. Pag nakita nila yung fundamentals and ang technicals nito, medyo gumaganda na. At least naka-position ka na. But be prepared, okay? For example, gusto mo bumili ngayon, pero wala nang gustong magbenta. So chances are, nakatangle lang yung order mo dyan. Alright? Unless you're willing to sacrifice and say, sige, alam ko naman na aakyat to. Kahit gusto ko siya bilhin sa 437, 445 na ngayon at may isa gusto magbenta at 446, bilhin mo na. Kasi a few cents difference compared to the potential lift in the price someday. Wag mo nang ipagkait yan. Kasi that's the only way na mag-push through yung order mo. Kasi tingnan mo, wala pa masyado wala talagang participants sa MAXS. Pero at the moment, technical wise, nakikita ko you are already triple bottom na nangyari dito. And sa triple bottom niya saan ka nagsimula? Ay, hindi pa. Yun nga, kaya nga straight lang siya eh. Wala pa. Ang gusto natin triple bottom. Nag-triple bottom ka dito at dito. Gusto mo dito. Yan. Dito. O, dito siya. Wala pa. Level lang siya. Straight pa din. Ang gusto natin paakyat eh. So that's that's another thing. It will really take some time, especially pag ganitong itsura niya. Low trades, bullish divergence not happening yet, pero nakikita ko na nasa support siya. So those are the things you can consider. In terms of revenue, hindi masyado maganda yung Q2 nila. Q1 okay, right? So those things you can consider. At the same time, this one gives out revenue, 3.97, pero the entire pandemic days nag-stop talaga sila. So ito abangan, you have to observe as well kung masusustain nila na i-revive na yung dividend. So maganda yan kahit papaano. At least that's a sign na they're already profitable na nagbibigay na sila ng revenue. Anyway, the society has already opened. Sobrang dami ng tao, sobrang dami ng um, activities na. Okay, the economy is back. Ako, my 2 cents, I go to work na every day. Nakikita ko yung development. Infrastructure-wise, yung sa mga roads natin, yung mga binibuild na MRT stations, tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho. Pero sana talaga hindi na ma-disrupt yan because laki ng business and growth na pwedeng idala niyan sa economy natin. And in layman's term, marami nang kakain sa Max, di ba? So that's my 2 cents and very practical perspective over these things. Um, AC. Ayan. Si AC, tingnan ko muna sa weekly chart. Okay. Hmm. Lower low, pero baka pwede pa ito kasi nakikita ko pa dito eh. Baka may ano pa to ha, konting stretch pa baba. Okay? May isa ka dito. Itong pinaka-lowest. Pero I hope hindi na to babalikan. Okay? Kasi, itong babantayan natin, dito, may isa ka rin dito. Actually, sa area na kung saan tayo, posibleng support pa yan eh. Pwede pang support yan. Okay? Dito. So, kapag nag-steady siya sideways dito sa 583 area, at yung kanyang RSI tuloy-tuloy na aakyat, then good niya yan. So, for now, kailangan ko pa siya observe kasi lower high pa siya eh. So, next sa lower high, kapag ganyan siya, chances are magaganito muna. Magsa-sideways muna siya bago umakyat. Ang tanong, saan ba siya magsa-sideways? Baka dito before going up. Okay? So, at the moment, really observe, wait and see ka kay AC. Pero, tignan natin yung kanyang, okay, down sila ng Q2, pero nakapagbigay ng dividend. So, another stock really worth holding for the long term. Okay, habang bumabagsak siya, may key levels ka pag the moment na lumapit sa support, doon ka magdagdag. No, hindi naman kailangan isang bagsakan. So gaya sa atin ng mga nagtatrabaho, bawat payday mag-allocate ka na. Actually, hindi mo kailangan sobrang dami. Hindi kailangan sobrang dami ng stocks. Mahirap i-monitor sa portfolio ang kwento ng mga bawat stocks pag sobrang dami nila. Okay, so just choose the ones na, especially for long-term investors, yung mga alam nyo talagang solid yung fundamentals. Ito AC. No questions asked. That's really a very solid company. RLC, real estate. Robinson's Land. Si Robinson's Land, medyo ingat, okay? May recovery ng slight for the month of July and August. Kaso, na-breakdown niya ang ah, price level at the MA20. Ngayon, dati siyang support. Okay? And because we're now moving below that, ito naman siya ngayon posibleng maging resistance niya. Kaya, ako, hihintayin ko. Kasi feeling ko bababa pa to. Where? Could be. Pwedeng hindi siya ganun kalalim. Kasi may resistance ka dito. So, I am expecting that there will be some more uh, movements on a decline. And dito meron ka din dito at the 1390. Pero ilalagay ko lang yan, pero medyo malayo pa yan. Because, of course, dito sa atin yung mga movements, parang 1%, less than a percent. So, medyo mahabang kwentuhan pa to para umabot siya ng 13.88. But definitely go ahead and just drop a comment kung gusto nyo tingnan natin to. Uh, with follow through. Okay? Kasi syempre, I prioritize those people who'd like to request for it sa comment section. So again, medyo on the sideline ka muna, wag madaliin. I know, mura to if you're looking at it a few days ago na dito siya 15.30 at ngayon nasa 40 na lang. Yeah, it's clear cut mas mura. Pero alamin nyo, kung may continuation pa pababa, kasi at the moment I can say na pwede pa pwede pang magmura pa siya at you can get it at a lower level. Tingnan mo at 1446 kung ano ang kwento dyan. Nickel. Nickel. Oh, okay. Si nickel ay creating a support at this area, oversold, okay? Oversold pa siya. But then again, balik tayo sa kwento ng volume. May volume ka ba? Hindi pa. Below the average pa tayo. So, I am thinking it might take some time na dito muna siya mag-move. Pero kung gusto mo scalping ka lang at may oras ka, you can do that. Pero know that, kapag ang scalping kasi medyo ma-appreciate mo pag malakihan yung volume mo. Pero kung maliit lang, hindi mo mapapansin yan. 300, 500 pesos na gain. Unless gusto mo lang matest talaga yung technical skill mo. So, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Pero, again, baka malugi ka lang sa fees. So, I'd rather, kaya ako, may bias ako, no? Mas gusto ko ng position trading kung may time ako na pwede kong laruin na buy low, sell high. Position trading talaga. I'd wait for as much as possible yung mga badly beaten stocks na may potential. Kasi alam mo naman, pag na bottom pick mo siya, aakyat din naman yan. So, at this point, I'm no expert in fundamentals. Tinitingnan ko lang mostly yung technical. So, ikaw, assignment mo na alamin kung cynical ba. How's the financial health? How's the projects at the moment? Meron ba silang proyekto? The industry itself, ano kaya ang potential trend in the coming months, years, right? For instance, the energy sector, renewable energy is becoming a trend. So, kung hindi pa siya at its full-blown, at its mature phase, and you know that potentially magmamature pa siya, so this is the best time, right? So, Nickel Asia, tignan mo kung ano ang industry niya, saan siya papunta, ang buong industry in the future. Second thing to also consider is sometimes yung mga mature na, for instance, si Jollibee, right? Big player. Si mga telco, Globe, PLDT, big players yan. Sino ang mga supplier nila? Kasi for these stocks, as they go up in price, as they gain revenue, ang mga nagsusupply sa kanila, especially the consistent suppliers, mag-grow din together with them. At the same time, presyuhan wise, syempre mas mura sila. Right? So yun ang isang strategy. Tingnan nyo kung sino ang nagsa-supply sa big players. So ito siya. So support at the moment, 5 peso level. At ito, si Edmond. Uy, madami si Edmond request. PHR. Baka pag mag-sobrang haba, i-cut ko lang into two parts and wait. Sa weekend, I can definitely record another one. Okay, si PHR, medyo ingat ng konti. Nag-breakdown in price. Could be slight overshoot below the MA20. Kasi tatlong araw, apat na araw na dito siya nag-stop. At abangan mo on Tuesday kasi holiday sa Monday. Kapag nag-start ang price below the 57 level, most of the actions happening out below that. So, chances are may continuation siyang pabagsak. So, pero lagyan ko na rin ng support kung saan ang sunod in case mag-breakdown. So, two areas guys ha. So, support could create a support at the current level which is 0.57. If not, pag bumaba dyan, alam mo kung saan ka next na abang. That is 0.50. Also, no volume. Oh. Kahit may green ka, wala masyado volume, kaya hindi pa hinog to move up. But overall, kung willing ka naman na maghintay, pa-sideways mo muna siya, mo siya dyan. But definitely, you are overall sa area na already na medyo pa-bullish divergence. Okay, tingnan mo. Bullish divergence yan. From here na nagsa-sideways, maakyat na siya ng konti. Pero kailangan, as it goes down right here, for example, andyan pa rin siyang paakyat. So, continuous monitoring ang kailangan dito sa PHR. MONDE. Ay, sorry. Si MONDE, gumawa ng lower high. Diba? May tinatawag na dead cat bounce. Tuloy-tuloy yung pagbagsak niya. Ang green mo, normally, hindi yan totoong bounce na. Especially if ang green niya ay hindi pa supported by volume. So, posibleng quick wins, quick gains lang yan ng mga, traders. Pwedeng ibagsak pa yan. So, I am still on the conservative side. Baka magtutuloy pa babagsak itong si MONDE. Tingnan natin sa weekly chart. Yan. Pero grabe. Nasa level siya ng all-time low. From the time ayan ang delikado. Pag all-time low, wala kasi siyang base. Wala siyang historical data that would potentially act as your support. Ito talaga, si market mag-dictate. Kung feel nila na hindi talaga 6 peso level yung market value ni MONDE, pwede nilang ibagsak yan. So, be extra careful, bantayan kung saan talaga siya magba-bottom. So, at this point, I'd say, medyo ingat lang kasi nandito nga tayo sa all-time low levels niya. Okay. Next is FLI. Philinvestland. Grabe talaga. Pag down ng market, umay ang kwento mo, puro pabagsak. Ano sa nangyari sa'yo? FLI. Punta tayo monthly. Okay. Na-break niya na to. Nasa monthly view tayo. Ibig sabihin, every candlestick is 1 month. Why did I expand it to the monthly view? Kasi, ang daming noise sa daily, weekly, even, madami din noise. But I know for a fact that it's going down. Gusto ko lang malaman kung gaano kalalim. Okay? So, mag-ingat, in other words. Kasi overall sentiment is on a decline. And chances are, itong level na to, 1, 2, 3, 4, strong support ito. So, at any time, bagsakin man niya ito up to 0.36. Pwede kang test buy dyan because chances are mahirap basagin yung level na yan. But ang message ko right now, stay on the sidelines at bantayan ang perfect time. Okay naman yung kanya. Q2 earnings. Oh, Q1, positive din. Kaso Q2022 medyo mahina. So, abangan nyo na lang. In case na bumaba pa, so as near as you can sa 0.36, maybe try it out. And see if, pag sinabing try it out, syempre maghihintay ka pa rin na may sign ng pag-bounce na. Ba kasi, oh, na-reach na naman ang 0.36. Pero ang gusto niyang mangyari, after a long decline, mag-long sideways din. So, dun na, syempre, we want to be as near as we can sa bounce period niya na. Okay, so, volume, a green engulfing candlestick. Yun ang normally. Tapos dito, RSI, bullish divergence. Yun ang mga bagay na tinitingnan ko bago ako pumapasok. Right. So, I think yun lang muna, part 1. Part 1 ito ng ating video for today. Feel free to drop a comment, definitely. So, Ed, may utang ako sa'yo na review ko. PHR, MONDE, FLI, balik ka mamaya, ha? I'll review Balay and Converge. And, sino pa dito? Basta drop a comment lang kayo, guys. Okay, looking forward to reading more comments from you. Hit the like, hit the subscribe para mag-grow pa ang ating channel. In the meantime, enjoy your weekend. Okay? Uh, study, study, study. Yan ang aking key message every single day. Okay, paalam muna. Bye-bye.